Here you have two roads. 1. Familiar but inconvenient. 2. New but efficient. Which road should factories and companies take? Look at the inconvenient one. Oh, you think these problems are normal? But what if there's a solution to all of these? That solution is Smart Factory. You can check the defect rate anytime. Respond to client demands immediately. And make your energy use smarter thanks to Smart Factory. What is Smart Factory? Enabled by the Internet of Things, it organically connects all elements in your plant, offers various information services, and optimizes production and operation. But hold on. You might think, don't we need experience and expertise to introduce such innovation? LSIS has the answer for you. And our solution is smart too. Here's what our Smart Factory is all about. Drives, robots, and sensors on the line that collect the data are connected to the PLC of each line. With our Smart Factory, you just need to plug in these PLCs to a smart station platform to get the data for the management of quality, production, and energy, and to efficiently manage the data needed for operation. The data is accessed by web, cloud, mobile, and other media, so you can use them in a smarter and more efficient way. Based on our outstanding expertise, built from producing and installing our main products for the last 40 years, LSIS integrates the PLCs of our own as well as of others. Our knowledge in industrial Internet of Things is unequaled in Korea, helping us offer the optimal standard templates that suit your needs. Our uniquely efficient and reliable solution minimizes the stoppage at your current operating or new plants, while our web-based solution, tailored to your different needs, helps you enjoy the benefits of a smart factory. In fact, our Smart Factory improved production by more than 50%, reduced the defect rate to the global level, and saved the use of energy by more than half. This surely is the road toward sustainability. You will also be amazed at how our Smart Factory transforms your plants to be smarter and speedier than ever before. Stay or change. Which road would you take?